Today we're making waffle cinnamon rolls. So good. Okay, waiting for the green light to come on the waffle maker. I've already been scared to death by the cinnamon rolls that popped up. So just waiting here for the waffle maker.
I'd only use one in the center, wouldn't you? Those are big.
I'm gonna do two because it said to do.
Oh my world!
It said to do 4 in here.
Okay.
There we go. Yummy. This one needs just a little bit more time. Looking good. So these are very yummy. Probably would be great with like ice cream. Definitely better with the frosting on. And as you can see, we're already missing 2 before we can even post a picture for you guys. So thank you and have a great day. Rebel Canner's Cookbook is available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Walmart.com. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.